Strong hair is trained, not treated. If your hair keeps breaking, you don't need length, you need strength. Strong hair begins at the roots. Train your scalp. Clean hair, but not daily. Overwashing weakens strands. Strength needs balance. Too much protein breaks hair too. Once a week, repair the inside, not just the shine. Strong hair hates rough hands. One drop at night protects strength till morning. Strong hair doesn't snap, it survives.